Simple and humble paksiw, fused with Mediterranean flavors. No frying, no stir frying. Easy, yet flavorful. Please join me at my small kitchen.
Hello, warm welcome. How are you today? We're back to our small kitchen and we're cooking labeled up paksiw today. I would call it fusion because it has influences of the Spanish encebollado. But we will make it easy, no stir fry and no frying needed. But we will come close to the flavor of the encebollado while maintaining the simplicity of the paksiw. So what do we need? I'll show you. I'll be using tilapia fillet because that's what's available. And in addition to this, the ingredients are simple. The usual ingredients that we know. Look at this. The garlic, the onion. I'll be adding, to add color, tomato, and the long chili or green chili. As you expected, we'll be using, instead of wine, vinegar, pepper, and of course salt. There are additions to make it come close to the encebollado. I'll be adding olive oil, paprika powder, and parsley from our harvest, from the garden. This is a gardening channel. I should be adding ginger. I don't have it, so I'm using ginger powder. This is simple. The ingredients. Assemble or mix. This is very easy. Look at that. Just adding the ingredients. We need salt. Easy on the salt. The paprika powder. Just a bit. I've learned to use parsley I've learned to use parsley for most of my seafoods. It does wonders. I'm using dried parsley. And what else? This ginger powder. Is it ginger powder? No, wrong. This is coriander powder. We'll drop it. We'll drop it. Now I'll add the vinegar. The measurements, by the way, are in the description box. The proportion. Not more than 1/4 for this volume. 1/4 cup. And if there's acid, there's fat. So I'm adding olive oil to give it that Mediterranean flavor. And that's it. Onto the fire. You know, I was planning to use this, but I got distracted. Okay. Let's use this instead. In between 5 to 7 minutes, this should be cooked. I'm going to cover it. See you later. You know, I got distracted by the two cameras. I forgot to add this. Let's add it now. It doesn't hurt to add it now, or even later. But I want it to be cooked along with the fish. You know, I promised to be shooting a tutorial on how to can fish. I failed to do that at the site next to the sea, but I'm promising I'll do it here. I already prepared the canning jars for the purpose. Join me later. Please come back. Possibly one of the easiest dishes to prepare. Fish dish. Not just easy, but it's clean. It keeps you from having to clean your stove later. Frying really is messy. This not. Possibly the easiest. No refrigeration needed. And it's best prepared the day before. I won't be eating this today, but tomorrow. I'll be serving it tomorrow. I'll have the fish marinade in the sauce. It's Paksiw. Paksiw fusion. Fusing it with Mediterranean style. It's been 7 minutes. I'm sure this is good. Curious? I'll show you. This is what we've cooked. On the other camera, this is what we've cooked. The paprika and the parsley gave it a different smell. It's a departure from the paksiw that we know. Oh. Smell of the Mediterranean, but the simplicity of our paksiw. I'll be serving this tomorrow. Join me. I'll have it marinate in its sauce first for better results. I can serve it now, but better tomorrow.
And the day after, this is how we serve it. Restaurant style. With some finesse. Lowly paksiw fused with the Mediterranean flavors. Do it today! Thank you for joining me here at my small kitchen, and see you again as I bring you more from the garden. From here, you've been watching Romulo's Kitchen.